brief sikit lah. Okay. So basically, I intern under PETRONAS Chemical Group, subsidiaries on the PETRONAS Chemical Marketing Labuan. It's more likely we are in a downstream. So more likely we are doing sales and marketing as well as technical supports. So I am under at technical supports, which is when we are require complaint from the customer, we need to deal with them. For example, like before this, kita kena encounter one of our customer, Wakomas, which ada contamination on their fertilizer that we are supply. So we need to deal with them to ensure our relationship going smooth lah. So basically, I'm more likely in my major job. I buat request sample for customer. Like say they are required for specific formulation like 15, 22. So we need to request sample from MNFS plant in Gurun. We have a plant in Gurun, PETRONAS Chemical Kedah, so that they are supplied to us and then we deliver to our customer for their testing or whatsoever.
So Petronas has a product which is fertilizer.
Yeah.
So you're responsible for the marketing and related things to that. Okay.
So before that, Petronas in my department, Ammonia and Fertilizer department, we supply.
That sounds very explosive. Department of Ammonia. That sounds very explosive.
We have several product which is Urea for sure, ammonia,
DMPP,
melamine, and AirBlue.
Oh, what are those?
Urea for sure for fertilizer purpose and others product for racing, you know. The ammonia for produce urea feedstock from ammonia, right? Doctor will know about that. Doktor mungkin lebih expert So
I don't work with Petronas.
So AirBlue for
diesel,
which is can reduce nitrogen oxides.
Okay.
So we do have a trading.
That's actually something that you can show me if you got things on the screen or brochure or
Sure.
Because I'm a potential client who like to know better. How do you win such a customer or client?
So basically, okay,
I think maybe we can swap places.
Okay.
Hence the color.
So this is my 4 major scopes, which is data analysis, technical support, event activity planning. We are in a corporate.
So Labuan is the HQ for this branch?
No. Actually, we are registered in Labuan. We have a different tax, right? Labuan, we have.
So this subsidiary registered in Labuan.
Yeah.
Right.
But the headquarters is here.
Okay, sure.
So I conduct a data analysis reporting using ANOVA, RStudio. For a previous, we do conduct a crop trial in the field. So
who conduct the trial?
Previous batch.
Okay.
Initially, I was supposed to conduct the crop trial, but the sample is not arrived yet. Not arrived yet from Korea, so I need to do more likely sales and marketing.
That's too small to see. What was that?
This one we conduct a yield kill for the first cycle using a CRF, control relief fertilizer. So as you know,
what are these? SK-Fert.
SK-Fert is the branding.
Okay. It has what the specialty? What?
They have a same but different company. This control relief fertilizer, which is coated fertilizer, but different. We are comparing different company basically.
Different company but same formulation or
same formulation?
Okay, and what is the formulation?
Formulation Mm, I
It's
already
NPK, right?
Yeah, it's NPK.
It can't be NPK 16, 16, 16.
50, 50, 50. Because it's conducted by a previous intern. So I just got the data and then I conduct the.
Because usually if CRF, the N usually high because it's meant for longer.
Yeah, that's why our contract is Urea. So this we can see the CRFM is the highest compared to others based on the lettering.
Who decided to do this comparison from the previous batch? So they did the experiment.
They did experiment and then I do a data analysis and then I show to my supervisor, or they say, oh, this CRFM have a better result compared to others.
Well, I wouldn't jump to conclusion too fast because these guys got NPK. These only N, pure 46% nitrogen. You see, NPK they have
So
relationship, antagonism and protagonism when they are in specific ratios. So, what do you think is the better way to use as a control? This you can keep as a base as well. In this case, I think you should have two controls.
Yeah, NPK.
Yeah, what is it? Baja subsidi kerajaan.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. That's how you win in this game. Baja subsidi kerajaan. Tu yang cap dacing tu. Cap dacing.
Dacing.
Yeah. Yeah.
The end.
Yeah. Because that okay, there is a experimental control, there is a conventional control. So this you can regard it as your experimental control. But what if the reality for it? Unless if government use the SK for it. Alright, anyway, go on.
So we have two cycles basically. So same goes to the first cycle.
This represent what? This axis here.
It's a total yield.
What's the unit?
Kg
Per
per plot. Yeah, one greenhouse.
okay. Plot what area? You do science. You should have a better way to put this. At what density? Per acre, per hectare, per parcel. Per what?
I think for one greenhouse is per hectare.
Don't you think that's the thing you should find out? The areas or the acreage or the floor plan area for the greenhouse.
Because I already received the raw data only.
You have received true, but it doesn't mean that you cannot ask further.
Sorry, my mistake.
Numbers, everybody can get numbers, but who can do the biological interpretation? It depends on how deep you do the further investigation. What months? Is it on a slope? What kind of glass house? Is it with a shading, or is it like a clear UV film? That all have impact on it. Yeah. Okay, go on.
So I do a technical support, like I said. I made a reformulation for SDS, safety data sheet, to export our chemical product to overseas. So we have to clarify what are the content in our products. So I do learn a bit about EU REACH, which is European regulation to export our product. And last week, our team are going to PCFK to do a sampling. So I was conducted to make a layout to them. This and
So
that.
who guide you to do all of this? The ANOVA testing to do this. Who guide you?
My supervisor.
How's the process?
So he sit with me and then
Sit with you.
I mean discuss together lah.
Okay.
So we bincang what is the experimental layout, how much the experimental unit.
So
Because I'm not in that place, so they are discussed. So I just made the data analysis.
because that earlier that shows a lot of statistic and design, and for this is more to the technical part of it. So I was wondering how the process goes. Because if I look at the earlier, that's you see in corporate, if you miss small things like units, that matters.
Yeah.
That matters.
Correct.
So I was wondering who guided you, and it doesn't matter. So this person, what's the background?
Agriculture. My boss from UPM as well, and my executive is from UPM.
Nobody from UTP?
No. For my apa? Saya punya kita tengok. This is my chart. So basically, two of them is the sales, and he is the one from the agriculture side, which is the technical side, technical fertilizer specialist. He the one doing the formulation requirement from the.
So he's the chemist.
Not a chemist, but
He formulates fertilizer. That's
he
chemistry.
just technical support.
Well, I do that too, right? Does it make me a chemist? No. Okay, so that's the head.
This head of
Head products
products.
for that division, ammonia and fertilizer.
Yeah.
Right.
So I under.
So you spend with whom most of the
This.
time? Right.
He
So
will be here shortly.
okay. All right. Okay. So what's your job like? Like, do you have like a routine job, or do you have like they swap places from time to time, or how does it? Is it like go with the flow? How does it work?
I just doing my job based on their need. For like say, macam semalam they are required to present a slide about our product. So I have to make a slide from them to present what we have, what we are trading. So
But did anybody? So you spent 6 months, right?
yeah,
So were you presented with roughly what your 6 month gonna look like? Like, okay, for the first 30% you're doing this, 20% you do this, 40% you do this, and 10% your own sweet time. Something like that, for example.
so
Is that a clear partitioning of time that way?
I think 60% I'm doing for SDS, safety data sheet, because we regularly receive from our customer to obtain our samples. So I doing the sample requirement from them. Let's say Thailand, we have a specific Thailand requirement, which is the packaging itself. So we have to remark on the data sheet and the content itself. We have a different content, so I deliver to them. So most likely I doing safety
What
data
program are you in at UPM?
Bachelor Agriculture Science,
Your final year project about?
entomology.
So I mean, so no, that's alright. It's alright. It's just a protocol that I need to do for every time I go out. Okay.
Whatever you are doing,
Alright. So you want to introduce?
He my executive,
Okay.
Cik Mohamad, from the Ammonia Fertilizer department under the technical specialist.
Okay.
So shall we?
Ni Hafis ada cerita tak sebelum tu? Background of our A&M.
A bit. A bit, but for the story, awesome. So what else you want to show?
So we have this. We have a customer engagement and some pedaluri, like I said.
What happened here?
So I have to go with my team to meet our customer to keep in touch with them.
You touch them?
Keep in touch with them. So yeah.
Okay.
So we actually communicating with the customer to understand their product needs and requirement.
How do you do the keep in touch thing?
Keep follow up with them. Let's say they
You
are
pestering them?
No. Bagi contoh macam dia orang buka booth kan. Ada macam exhibition.
They have exhibition. Okay.
So I went there to macam support them
How?
as a participate in their exhibition.
Yeah, I can see that they open a booth exhibition. And you support them. Support by how? Like moral support, technical support, cheering them. You can do this. You can do this. Is that how it works? What kind of support?
To
Just be there, listening ears. That kind of support.
You're looking at me. So perhaps maybe.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
So I think what we are doing basically we are under marketing and sales department. But we are also having our technical items product.
Okay.
As you know, in part of our product we have our urea, vanilla urea. Vanilla is a quite commodity, so I think that one is quite generic. Everyone knows that. But then on our part, our new journey, we have our new product enhancement, which is we have our polymer contact urea, CRF. We have our slow release urea, and also we have our NPK compression. So I think for the exhibition side, we are assist them in terms of technical, the most important thing in terms of price.
Okay.
We are producing, we are production. We will support our customer in terms of this goal.
Alright.
Of exhibition lah. So of course, you know, I think what we did here is 80 to 70% is meeting customer. We are collecting their pain point. What is their problem? That's what always our discussion. And then from that side, another 20 to 30% is our technical advice or our technical side regarding product. We will feedback to the brand, but that's what is our goal. So call lah, customer engagement.
What customers have you seen so far?
I see CRFM,
What was that?
fertilizer company.
Okay. Is it local?
Yeah, local.
Based in
Based in Mid Valley.
Midway.
HQ is maybe
HQ Mid Valley. Plant
turun area.
Okay. Right. Okay. Go on.
So I also helped my department team to make an event activity planning. So
What event?
we are purposing for our buddy program. Is still ongoing.
What program? Buddy.
Buddy program.
Okay.
Still ongoing.
What program to achieve what?
To like a building program. Among
The colleagues
Yeah.
in your
In the
division,
department.
right?
So
Alright, okay.
This is for our culture.
How do you get benefited from this?
Benefit from this.
Mm.
So I know how to make event management.
Alright.
So I will collaborate not under
With
my
your
team as
supervisor
well,
or with other people?
others people as well.
Exposure.
So meaning that you have engagement with these other parties as well. Okay.
So I think that's all. This is my learning outcome.
Okay.
Firstly, I will.
So I have to read everything.
No. I able to apply my theories and concepts learned through
What theories you think you can apply?
the fertilizer.
Mm.
So
What about it?
kalau waktu kita belajar dulu, saya tak biasa dengan CRF. Saya tak familiar with the CRF. So once I ada kat Petronas ni, saya aware with the control relief fertilizer
I think if he took my class, guys, definitely they'll know. Alright, okay. So meaning you have additional new information which is not available during your years in the
Study,
campus.
yeah.
Right.
So kat sini dapat macam ilmu yang lebih gitu. So macam saya contoh yang CRF ni yang saya tahu dia macam ada linear release and sigmoidal release.
Okay. Can you elaborate sigmoidal release? Don't say it's an S shape only. I got paper if you want to scribble something on it.
Linear dia macam release on continuously release.
Okay.
So kalau sigmoidal we start from the beginning. So like say kalau
So you got two graphs, the linear graph and sigmoidal curve.
Yeah, this is a linear.
So what about it? That axis shows what? What versus what?
Ni time.
Interesting. Okay.
And ni dia punya
Which is your x? Which is your y axis?
Y. Yes.
Okay.
No, this time. And these are the release pattern.
Okay.
These are from
So with the
beginning.
with the progression of time, what happened to the release rate?
It will continuously release.
Oh, sure. Over the time, people get older.
Until it at the
times goes on, that kind of shows increasing.
The release is macam contoh ni dia release sikit. At the peak one dia akan release banyak.
So what's the difference with this one? Is that linear?
Yeah.
So what's the difference this and this?
Same.
Are you sure? So let's say that this is 0 month, this is 3, this is 6 month. So what happened to the fertilizer now? At the beginning of it, what happened? 3 months into it, what happened? At the end of 6 months, then what happened?
So saya start dulu yang sigmoidal dulu. Okay, lepas tu nak dapat dia akan firstly dia akan sigmoidal starting from this. So it will be last kali dia macam dah habis dia punya nutrient content dia dah habis at the end of the timeline yang required, let's say 6 months.
Okay, alright. What about it?
Kalau macam ni
Imagine if you were the granules of fertilizer, what is happening to me with the progression of time?
Jadi habis
Habis? Habis? Apa yang habis?
the nutrient content dalam
Habis go to where?
tanah absorbed by plant lah.
Tapi if that's the case, why this is at the maximum? That's the minimum, right? If you say that at the end of the time habis, kenapa? Why is it so high?
In this one is release urea release. So why the price to become is always like this? So if the time you have like this one is 100% release, then they can plateau. That's why this one is.
So there's a plateau part. So where's the plateau? In here I can see the plateau. There's a plateau there. Is there a plateau there? Or you want to copy paste in here there?
It should be also this one. It will be not going down. It will be that plateau. So this is the first task we given when we entering. You need to study and prepare us and present to us.
Okay. So you might want to revisit this to do a little revision.
Okay, sure.
No, I mean, as long as you stay in the industry, you cannot run away from fertilizer.
Yeah.
Regardless of the type of fertilizer, fast release, slow release, osmocote, CRF, DMPP, anything. They have their release pattern. And this is very important because fertilizer is a cost, input cost. You are playing around with, do I want it longer or do I want it quick? Yeah. If you go for longer, but if the plant is growing rapidly the first 2 months, that's not very helpful for the plant actually, because what's needed at the moment only available 6 months later. All right. Okay. All right. So what was your working hour like?
9 to 6.
9 to 6 every day.
Yeah. Flexible from 8 to 10 untuk masuk. So kalau keluar nak 5 ke 7 macam tu lah. Depends on pukul berapa masuk.
Where do you live?
6.
Where do you live?
UPM College
Okay, how do you commute?
by MRT.
Okay. How long does it take?
Around 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes.
Right. So that's every day.
Yeah.
Alright. What about break time?
12 to 1 or 2 to up to you lah nak 12 ke 1
Up to me?
Depends on yeah.
So, flexible recess.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Right. You showed me earlier about you meeting up client. That's happening within this building, or is it?
No, sometimes we are going out.
Okay.
Macam contohnya macam kat Chorus Hotel ni, itu macam pergi exhibition dekat City Alam. Banyak keluar
So how do you go there? Is it with the team, by yourself?
by team.
Right. Okay. Right. Do you get any allowance?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. Okay. Is it monthly? Is it?
Monthly.
Alright. Okay.
1,000.
Right. And what about other benefits that you get? Do you get things like, I don't know, ticket coupon, or maybe learning materials book, free milk, free fertilizer, in-kind contribution from the company?
I receive diary book buku dengan kalender.
Okay, what kind of books?
Diary book.
Diary
Just
book?
notebook. Just notebook.
That's called merchandise.
Merchandise.
Yeah, I would like to know if something for your information gaining.
I receive a brochure from my supervisor about the fertilizer, our products.
What would you say about the perks that you receive while working in the company?
What do you mean perks?
Perks now, specialty, privileges.
I receive coffee
Yes,
every day.
okay, easy coffee. So the office provide with free drinks.
Yeah. For the macam ada department meeting ke any meeting they are provide the coffee.
Right, right. What about food?
No, you don't.
Okay, so drinks. That's how do you manage your daily lunch? Is it you get it around? You brought some food
No,
from
I
college?
go around. Let's say macam pergi Wisma Avenue K, BSN.
Is it far?
No,
Is there any other interns in the office?
no, only me.
Okay, why is that?
Why is that?
Is it like a limited placement?
Normally, in one department, we are only having 4 functions in the one department. So every function just to allot like one. It's either intern or GIS.
GIS?
GIS is what we call the program by ministry.
Protege.
Like
Protege, alright, okay.
call it GIS.
Protege. So pernah dapat student UPM sebelum ni?
Yep.
Okay.
I think I take this one is already my third batch or
Third.
fourth batch. Fourth batch.
Okay.
Alright. Having numerous intern before this, but not as for this year. Previous year is better lah compared to this year in terms of projects and what we are having in our way.
Okay. So the company untuk Urea ni has been around for since when?
It's already 40 plus 44 years. We are having in the industry for 44 years.
Right. So meaning baru terima intern recently within 5 years.
No. Previously also we have our interns, but then I'm here.
Oh, within your ground. Okay. Oh, supervision. Okay, got it.
But then before this, we are not taking much under PSP student.
Oh.
Student here. Okay, because recently with having our new journey to having new product, enhance our product portfolio. So that's why we take undergrad from PSP. We are mostly into the business, so more of the time we are taking like.
I can see you did some research as well. The kill. Alright.
We are just a tradition. We call it under enhanced product development program. So
Who conducted the kill research?
This is enemy.
Right.
Totally, I think research what we are having here is 100% enemy. So we are just starting this. We are like to expand our business from the Urea. This is my big problem.
Alhamdulillah.
Apa khabar? Ni, this is our code.
Tak apa.
Nanti I'm here just. Shot dengan
Tak apa, dekat je.
You pada agriculture faculty?
Ya, betul.
Okay.
Ya. So, ada department saya, department sains tanaman.
Sains tanaman?
Ya.
Dengan siapa tu ah? Siapa Dean sekarang?
Din Prof Long. Dia orang poultry.
My master did with Prof Zahra tu. Science lah. I love soil very much.
I studied dengan Prof Zara dulu. Long time ago, 20 years ago.
You?
Kelas dengan dia.
Satu
Kelas soal dia dengan
I buat
Razia.
radio isotope study by using 15 level dengan min lah. Okay. Tak apa, Kenos.
Tak apa. Okay. So, we have something in common.
Okay.
It's okay.
Ya. Nak berhenti nafas. So we share the same professor.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, from 20 years ago.
you tidak terjalan tahun berapa?
That was 2007. Masa tu dia ada project dekat Carey Island.
Oh, dia Alien previously project kira
Oh, betul lah.
21 years.
Oh,
And dia
okay.
buka
No wonder lah she brought us ke situ masa tu. Carey Island. All time ago, WhatsApp pun tak ada lagi. All time ago.
Oh, you dekat saya stand up dekat soy sign.
Tak itu I got two semester classes dengan few professors dekat science. Soal
Oh,
science.
daripada juga. Saya sempat lah Fauzara plus Fauzara.
I was dengan Fazara masa tu dengan apa? Dr. Siti Zoya.
Ya.
Because she masa tu ada apa ni buat pedology.
I see.
Pedology. Apa? Dah 20 tahun dah aku dah tengok benda-benda ni. Engkau baru tengok. Long time ago. Alright. Okay. So how do you know about this internship at the company?
From
Senior Google search or flyers?
actually from my seniors lah. So
What's it?
she recommend to apply because since as we know PETRONAS is the one of the biggest company in Malaysia, so it's a good opportunity for me to
Good.
Siapa lagi yang tulis tu?
Victoria.
Oh, Victor.
No idea who.
Agree dia, he's under agribusiness.
Agribusiness,
We are
right.
taking more agribusiness student.
That actually ada department sendiri dekat fakulti.
Yeah.
Jabatan sendiri.
Agribusiness. Because previously the supervise from this one for the 2 years under apa nama she always remember student punya name. Dia untuk agribusiness apa?
Rosida.
Rosida.
KJ dia Rosida.
So before this 2 tahun from Rosida datang. Memang student dia yang ramai kan.
Okay.
Previous two of them, the one.
Because that department they do a lot of agricultural extension.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright. Okay. So senior, you learn about senior. So how do you think that can benefit you? Because you said your final year project is about entomology.
Yeah.
I'm quite sure PETRONAS do not chase butterflies around. That I'm kind of sure.
But why we are going into the agrochemical things.
How's that?
We are going into agrochemical things.
Agrochemical. Okay.
We are also in our pipeline we have for
Right. So that's for the pest control. Alright. Okay.
we are not only focusing on fertilizer only. Past 3 years, we are having this kind of mission.
Alright. Okay. So macam mana student yang diambil dari sains pertanian ni? Sebab tadi cakap macam baru lagi kan sebelum ni. So do you think ada compatibility issue or do you think tak kena dengan business model or how? Because dalam fakulti pertanian ada 7 departments,
Yes.
right? So
Good question. So as per what I said earlier, we are taking the interest based on what project we have. Like this case scenario, I think current for this year we are much into desktop study.
Desktop study, okay.
In the economic analysis thing. So that's why we are not doing much intern. So that's why we are decided to have one from the SP, so that we know like this case, like you say CRF, which plant we want to target. So more or less desktop study what Hafis did currently. So previously we are also having our own plot testing the fertilizer proposed from the other supplier.
dekat mana? Testing plot.
We have a lot. We have more or less we call that contract basis. We are having job pertanian. We are having with most of them is our customers, our distributors customers. We are having the plot, show to them the product proof, and then for what at the end they will take the so that's just but I think this we are not going into that mode this year. So previous year we are having the student from Bachelor Science to help us doing all the product acceptance to advise the customer when to apply and so on. So in the future, we hope we still have this kind of project. We still have this kind of.
Is it seasonal or depends on the market demand?
Depends on the market.
Okay. Alright.
Solely depends on market. Yeah, we enhance our product.
What about the crop selection for the trials? Because the kale, that's vegetable, right? What about other, more commodity type crop? Oil palm, rice.
I think previously we have one product which is I would say substitution for Yaramila product.
Yara,
The water solubles. So that one we are having full blast into fruit tree, but then it's past 2 years. So all mangoes, product, durian we are having. While for oil palm, I think for CRF this year, I love into that. So I think we will start our so-called product acceptance for CRF, for PC and PK, for oil palm by next year. So currently we are having our so-called collaborator. They are doing the product acceptance for crops like season, lenient, paddy and so on. It depends on what customer needs. It depends on what our customer plan.
So do you think products yang ada from Petronas suitable for the plantation-based soil, or is it suitable for other industry cultivation like hydroponic?
From my observation, I think it's suitable for plantation crops.
Right. What do you think about the soilless culture? Is that something that companies should venture to, or they're doing well anyway? Don't change things.
I think maybe I will propose to have macam kalau untuk soilless culture ni most likely kena yang jenis liquid, right? Liquid.
Yeah. Well, it's not powder. You dissolve the powder because liquid.
Yeah. Maybe
Some fertilizers, true. From the manufacturing plants, it comes as liquid straight. That's usually RTU. You know RTU, ready to use spray, as the way it is. Yeah, like the hydroponic, that's still in solid powder form. You dissolve it. Yeah. Is it something that Petronas would go into? Because more and more people are practicing soilless culture now. Urban farming, that kind of thing. Because the arable suitable land for agriculture in Malaysia, it's not going to increase anymore. It's highly diminishing. So people are reclaiming the land. Non-suitable for activities. They turn it into rock melon, chili fertigation.
Actually, we feel, but then the thing we have our Urea fertilizer past 2 years also. In terms of to tackle all the hydroponic, we went to Cameron Highland. I think we replaced two of our interest there to have with the market research and so on. But then the market attractiveness is not for us. I think we are into the commodity, into the high volume application. So liquid one currently is still not on our, I would say, on our target.
Okay.
We're still focusing into the very high volume product with good premium. the skill lah. This is our target as well.
Have you ever seen it as a comprehensive package? You see, plants can get fertilized from root and leaf. What about if it was a package, for root fertilizer and leaf fertilizer?
Yes, I understand. But then our market, our distributor, mostly is a trader. We I think on what is challenge is we cannot go direct into the end user. So the trader, they are taking like 30,000 one birth kapal. So there is no way for you to do like only.
So maybe I just came from the gallery. There's a Petronas gift shop. Maybe you should have fertilizer shop. Like a satellite small shops. The branding is already there. Yeah, branding already there. People know that, and people who want the supply for fertilizer, they go for Petronas. Not only for raw now, for everything now.
I think it depends on the management. I think
sure,
ours
yeah.
is mostly business to business. So we are not taking much care into the business. Currently, we are going that way. I think if we want to go for new product and so on, we need to go into the end user to help them cut the supply chain. But then a lot of things.
The reason I'm asking this is something that I don't know how you're going to end your internships. Some internship I have seen from the past, the company would like to get some feedback input from you. How are what they are doing not so right, what they are doing so right, to keep it constant, or points of improvement. So there are interns that I know that vocal out. You've been in the industry for 30 years. Actually, times are changing. Times are changing. So small idea from that girls actually got her accepted untuk kerja kat some of the company, international company. Yeah. It's true you're still learning, but you can also give opinion, suggestion. Jangan bagi opinion kosong, with substance. Right. Okay. I think to any question?
No.
Do you want to show me around things? Because you asked me earlier kan tadi. Want to show me fountain?
Diorang boleh naik lagi, Amin?
Is it far from here?
No.
Alright. Okay. So,
But you already registered. You have the QR code.
If you pay is before 10:30 lah. Today is Friday prayer lah.
Oh, what time now?
Level.
11:30. Site, normal do it. We need the interest.
Sure.
We want new batch. We want new. I will call them the same. So we need them. So as far from our side, whatever given, whatever I think advertising from UPM is really helpful, because I think previously I passed our advertise to Puan daripada Jatuh Petani sini. I passed to them and received I think more or less like 20 people send the application. I think it's good. It's good initiative for UPM to having us.
So macam ni, kalau if you're really interested to utilize interns from UPM, because interns in UPM will start more about the same time, March every year. So if you want to secure some, I think you can prep some like information kalau ada project, kalau ada job ni untuk bagi kepada fakulti. So best time is around November. Yeah. So this is the time students dah mula nak masuk half of the final semester. Yeah, and that's the time they need to So macam this year, if you can give something kepada fakulti, so dia akan pass around lah. Yeah. And be clear macam tu. Petronas adalah boleh dapat spesifik yang sesuai. Maksudnya memang student tu dia memang projek tu, dia memang nak buat itu. Yeah, and got the motivation.